So as you can tell, our driveway is pretty much a sheet of ice again. I did a video like this maybe last year or the year before with my older Forester. This is the 2015. My last one was a 2010 and it had Grabber AT2 all-terrains. This is the 15 and it has BFG KO2s, 235, 75, 15. Put affiliate links and stuff to everything down below like usual. So I know these videos aren't that entertaining, but we've been getting some rain and stuff, freezing rain, and as you can tell, the whole driveway is pretty much ice again. So I'm gonna have some fun before I salt the thing. Just gonna go up, stop, initiate some wheel spin. I can get up this pretty easy with just like a fair amount of momentum, but I want to try and not use momentum and make the system work. Again, it's tough to get traction on this stuff with any tires, but the BFG KO2s should be good enough. So we're running about 33 PSI in the front, 32 in the rear, which is a little lower than I normally run them for highway pressure because of the ice and snow we've been getting the last week. So let's do it. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the back, see if you can guys get a good view of some of the wheel spin, and I'll try it with X mode on, VDC off and on, and all that stuff. So let's do it. So those first two attempts are pretty easy. I think we're kind of just on top of that nice layer where there's maybe a little bit of rough stuff, and then after I kind of moved around a little bit left and right and got over to the more slickery stuff, then we started having fun there and it made it a bit more difficult. So I was coming up to that incline right past the edge of the sidewalk there and stopping, applying brake, and then letting the system do its work from a dead stop. So that was fun, turning sideways and the front end just had no traction at all. So it was just like 100% sideways. So on stuff like this, it's really nice to have lower pressures, a lot of contact on the ice. So I could air these down a bit more and it'd probably do a bit better. Even though they're not full on snow tires, they do have the Three Peak Mountain snowflake rating, which is what you really want if you're going to be running tires in the snow. And even so, these aren't as good as a full-on dedicated snow tire, as I've talked about in the past. I'm a big fan of the General Ultimax Arctics. The new ones are the Ultimax Arctics 12, which I ran last year. And they're definitely better than these in the snow and the hard pack on the ice. The deep stuff, I think they're probably pretty equal as far as the deep snow goes. In fact, these might be a little better. I feel like they have wider tread blocks, they have a bit deeper tread. So in the deep snow, they might even be better. So fun stuff. Making the system work is fun. That last attempt just had a tiny bit of momentum and just kind of kept the throttle down a little bit. And X mode was on that last time and walked up it just fine. So as I said, you come in this driveway with any amount of like momentum at all, you're just gonna walk right up it. BDC might kick on a little bit, but it makes this look super easy and something that you might not even get up in a different vehicle without maybe front wheel drive and snow tires, maybe studs, I don't know. So check you guys later. I had fun.